Myself, Diva, final year CSE.
Myself, Yogendra, final year CSE. Our project is prediction of landslide deformation using temporal fusion transformer and multivariate time series clustering. And this study mainly focuses about Badu region in eastern Tibet, where it contains many complex terrain and economic growth that increase geological assaults. It employs enhanced Esper sensor technology and clustering methods to analyze displacement patterns effectively. Mainly it uses TFT model, which boosts the accuracy. And the problem statement is that traditional methods for these ground movements are limited and often fail to capture the complexity of the terrain. There is a need of the advanced technology to analyze and forecast these assaults more effectively.
This is our overall system diagram. First, we will take the data from the satellite. The satellite uses the technology of INSAR. INSAR means Interferometric Synthetic Aperture Radar. First, we will get the data set as ascending and descending displacement data set, where we will do the operations like interpolation and reprojection that will form the two data sets, namely vertical and horizontal displacement time series data sets. There, we will combine four attributes such as rain time series and NDVI time series to make the data set complete, and then we will apply the PCA based clustering is dedicatedly for the time series data, where we will apply the time series k-means clustering, and then we will compare our model with the several models like path TSC, DPAR, Chronos, base Chronos large, recursive tabular, auto ETS, NPTS, from which we will get the best model as temporal fusion transformer. The temporal fusion transformer gives the reduced loss of our implementation. We have done the implementation in the Python. These are first we have load all the necessary Python libraries. In data processing, we have just read the two JSP files. Then we will do the reprojection into the dataset into the vertical and horizontal displacements. Then we will prepare the dynamic data and targets. Then normalize our data. Then we will apply the time series k-means clustering to the dataset. Then I will split the dataset into 80% and 20%. 80% for training, 20% for testing, from which I get the output like this, separated into 5 clusters, and the clusters are plotted here. And then I have trained path TSC and DPAR, Chronos DA, and this is the overall plot we are getting. This is the actual users predicted vertical displacement values. Values in a table as a comparison. We are getting the minimal loss for TFT, 2.4 for root mean squared error, 2704 for MAPE, and 1.58 for mean absolute error. And I have plotted all the error comparisons as a bar chart. These are the bar chart we have plotted. Thank you.